Good day guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm showing you how to start clipping on Whop. So first off, let's start by creating a new account. So we go to login, then we go via Google. Alright, now let me verify my email. You do it as well if you're signing up for the first time. Alright, and at the sign up process, type in your name, after that username, now the birthday. You can upload your profile picture if you wish. I'm just going to choose these pre-built ones. Alright, and after you create your first account, it will be dropped to your home page, but you're looking for a discover page, and in here, as you can see, we need to start and search for a new Whop. So Whops are pretty much like groups where you join them, and there you start earning money. So let us, for example, search Whop. Alright, and in here you just choose the free group. So as you can see, there are paid ones and there are free ones. So let's choose a free one and join. Okay, joined our first group. And what I recommend doing is just searching for Whop clips. Go into here and join this free group. As you can see, it has nearly 1 million members. Just join it. And if you want to, for example, search for some other Whops later, you can do that as well. And guys, after that, you just go to content, rewards, clips, and as you can see in here, we have the different types of activities that you can perform to earn money. So for example, you can just make clips, right, for different things, products. Yeah, you can just choose whatever you want, and you just make videos, for example, on platforms like, as you can see, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And you can start earning here. So for example, you just choose Ambro clips. All right, so you just contact the seller. They tell you which kind of videos they want you to make. As you can see, make $3 per 1,000 views clipping Ambro. So you're just doing Ambro clips, and you can just find these different campaigns, do the clips and earn money. As you can see, we have multiple pages, a lot of campaigns, over 800. If you want something else, you can choose UGC, audio, and other. And guys, just like I said, you can just go into the chat and ask people around which are the best ways of earning money by clipping. So you can, for example, also join Super G Rising, join waitlist, then you get approved. So as you can see, you can just answer these questions. All right, join this. And also, as you can see, if we read the description, you can join the team and get paid for every view you generate. So as you can see, you just post viral content with the logo of these guys of some certain videos. As you can see, high and consistent payouts, grown with the team, and Uclip, we handle everything else. So yeah, just experiment guys, find your niche, and this way you can start earning via clipping. So enjoy guys. If this tutorial helped you, press like on the video and subscribe.